This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Eric Hine. With me today is Chris Vonderau from the law offices of Chris Vonderau. How are you doing today, Chris?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Great to have you back today.
Good to be here.
I've got a couple of questions from some of our viewers that I want to ask you.
Okay.
Bill from Wilmington writes in, I bought a lot, I'm assuming a land lot, in a development that went bust. Now I owe much more than it's worth. How can this be addressed?
It's a great question. I'm seeing more and more of this, especially in Brunswick and some parts of Pender County where a development was started. People bought lots and they never put streets in, and you can't build on it. And in many cases, the lot is worth $20,000 and they owe $200. I've seen that quite a bit. That can be addressed in a number of ways. Bankruptcy is definitely an option, but I've been able to negotiate deals with banks where we settle for less. So that would be the first step. I'd say come meet with me. We'll take a look at what all your options are. And ultimately, if we can't negotiate a settlement with a bank, then we file a bankruptcy action.
Okay. Now, Brittany from Wrightsville Beach writes in, I am way behind on my student loans and I am being threatened by a garnishment. What can I do? That's
another thing that I'm seeing an awful lot of. Student lenders have a lot more power than a regular creditor. They can garnish wages. The debt cannot be discharged in the vast majority of cases in a bankruptcy. Mm-hmm. But it can be addressed in a bankruptcy in that if you file a Chapter 13, you've got 5 years where they can't collect, they can't garnish, and it gives you time to regroup, get your finances back in order, and hopefully be able to address that debt.
Gotcha. So there's a lot of these stories going around, but obviously still they're case by case.
Absolutely.
All right, fantastic. Chris, thank you so much for your time here.
You're welcome.
You can learn more by giving Chris a call, or you can visit his website. Go to chrislegal.com or text Chris Legal to 91066.
This has been a WECT Business Break.